All right, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday you completed your 14-1 quick check. And I know with my class on the Zoom, we watched the Learning Bridge or the short video. And one thing we pointed out is that it's really important in your ordered pair that your X comes first and then your Y axis comes second, okay? So remember, if you didn't complete your solve and share yet, go ahead and do so on Pearson now, and then come back and view this video to see if you get the same shape as me when we plot these points. Okay, so the title of our lesson is Graph Data Using Ordered Pairs. And by the end of this lesson, you want to be able to graph points on a coordinate grid, which I know most of you pointed out we've already done this, but like I told my students, it's so important that you remember how to do this so that when Mr. Kent starts teaching topic 15, you're going to have to be able to know how to graph these points. So we thought it would be good to review since it's been a couple months. Okay, so our solve and share here, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, says graph and label the point for each ordered pair below on the grid, then connect the points with line segments to form a shape. What shape did you draw? Okay, so here are our points. We're gonna graph these points and figure out what shape these ordered pairs make. So let me see. Where's my little annotation tools? Here they are. Okay. I think I'm gonna go for the color green. Okay. So our first point here is A, and it's our ordered pair is 2, 1. Now, if you remember, our first number represents the x-axis, and our second number represents the y-axis. So that means we need to go over 2 and up 1. So here's 0, 0, our origin, and we're going to go on our x-axis first to 2. So 1, 2, and then go up 1 and draw our little dot. And that is point A. And we're going to do the same thing for B. Maybe I should pick a different color here. Make it colorful shape. Let's do yellow. Okay, so we've got 5, 1, and we're going to go over 5, up 1. All right, let's do blue. Our next one, remember x, y, we're going to go over 5 again and then up 4 for our order pair of 5, 4. And if you can't guess what the shape is, then I don't even know. All right, I can see that we got some equal sides here. Okay, D, we got 2, 4. So I'm going to use pink. Let's go over 2, because remember 2 is our x, 4 is our y. So over 2, up 4. Now the last thing we need to do is to connect the points with the line segment. Line segment is just a fancy word to draw lines that connects from one point to the next point. So you know me, I'm picking a different color. All right, so let's connect it with line segment. There, that point to that point, that's a line segment. So it's really a line, guys. All right. And what shape do you see? Bling, bling, bling. That's right, a square. So our points here made a square. Um, Guys, if you have some time after this, go ahead and view. Oh, let me clear my mark drawings here. View the learning bridge. So this is the learning bridge. All you have to do is watch the video, go on to Pearson, click on topic 14.2, and you can watch the video, has a little eye next to it. And it looks like it's going to show a growth of a plant over a period of several days. Okay. What I'm on right now, it's called Student Edition. Um, you guys can do it too, and you can even annotate on your iPad for extra practice. Okay, so today is all about graphing your ordered pairs on a grid. So again, make sure your first number is X axis. Your second number in your ordered pair is on the Y axis. It's going up, vertical. Okay. All right. Let's do number 25 together. It says Talia draws a map of her neighborhood on a coordinate grid. Her map shows the school at S16, her house at H43, and the library at L72. Graph and label each location on the grid. Easy peasy. All right, let me get my pencil. And I'm going for the green again. So let's go ahead and do the school first. Better tell Talia she can't go to school right now. We're in a pandemic. No, I'm kidding. It's true though. All right. So 1-6. So what axis is the 1 on? Is it on X or is it on the Y? Hopefully you said X. And then you go over. Or do you go over or do you go up for X? You go over for X. Good. So I'm going over 1. So here's my 1. And how many am I going up for my Y? 6. So I'm going all the way up to the 6. And I'm making, oh my gosh, that's a terrible point. I lost control of my mouse here. Let me try that again. Go over 1, up 6. Okay. There we go. So it says to label that S for school. Got it. Now let's do H, her house, 4-3, which is where we're all staying healthy and safe. So let's go over to 4 on our X axis and then up 3 on our Y axis. And label it H for Talia's house. And then the library that stores all of our books. So, and right now our library is epic. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. So go over 7 and up 2. And we're labeling it L for library. And that's all it says to do. So those are our locations on a map. And we could see that it's a nice diagonal line there. But anywho, that's it. So if you have any questions for me or Mr. Kent, shout out. We're here to help you any way you need. So just let us know. So even if you need help on the quick check, we'd be more than happy to jump on a Zoom with you and you can share your screen with us and we can walk you through the quick check, okay? Or a couple problems to help you out. All right, guys, have a good day. Hope you all are staying well and healthy and I miss you all. Have a good day.